channel. I wanted to do a quick little video. I love this company. It's called Waveshare. They make a bunch of little stuff. I actually bought a solar panel charger somewhere from them as well too. This is actually for a USB. It's a USB Ethernet adapter for a Raspberry Pi. So 4B, 3B plus, 3B, 2B, 0, 0W, probably 5 too. But it's an awesome little device. Comes with a bunch of stuff. Board, standoff, screws, and then it even comes with this like beefy power cable. So USB-A to micro or mini, whatever it is. But the board itself is really cool. This is the original version of the board. So you have your headers right here that plug into the Raspberry Pi. RJ45 connector. It's only USB 2.0 or USB 1.1, which obviously, because it's Raspberry Pi, the older versions of the Raspberry Pi, because the documentation actually only goes up to 4B, so it doesn't even include the 5. But 3 USB ports, 3 USB-A ports. Even has diode on here to tell you which ports are active. I bought it specifically for the RJ45 connector, and it has this awesome little daughter board that you use to connect it to the USB port on the Raspberry Pi. So headers go in here, the board sits right here, this plugs in, and then you can use the Ethernet port. So yeah, it's a pretty cool little device. So it is the original one, as I mentioned, because there's actually a new upgraded version that they sell on their website. I bought this off, I think, eBay, and it was like $25, and you can buy this exact board off of their website for like $12. And they also have the link to the new one, which is like $15. So I bought the new one, which will actually work better for my purposes, because in this case, this plugs into the header and sits on top. It's a hat for the Raspberry Pi Zero. The new one actually sits under the Raspberry Pi, and then it just has some pins that connect to the ports on the bottom of the Raspberry Pi Zero. So yeah, that'll be fun, but I'm going to use this one for a while too, just to see if it works. So, but another cool little product from, like, what is it, Waveshare? Yeah, so I like them.